Добрый день, уважаемые коллеги. В первую очередь хотела бы поблагодарить организаторов форума за приглашение принять участие и познакомиться с вами, уважаемыми коллегами. Я представляю тарифный блок российских железных дорог. Наша
working towards maximum satisfaction of the customers. We want to improve the quality of transportation service. We want to become a really customer-oriented company. We are developing tariff band mechanisms. This is something that we are allowed to do by the regulator based on the agreements on Eurasian Economic Union. We are prepared to give you the best tariffs and services. We give customers comprehensive services. We work hand in hand with our colleagues that represent other modes of transport, sea transport, truck transport. We want to offer a comprehensive end-to-end service to serve your needs as best as we can. We are all living in a difficult time. We analyze the share of transport in the cost structure of your goods. We see that the situation is changing for all market players, and it's not changing for the better. In such an environment, we should join our efforts. We are a transportation company. We organize logistics. We should walk together with you along this difficult path.